Welcome back to the course, guys. So in this video we're going to take a look at creating an E-junkie account and then setting up our products with E-junkie. So basically E-junkie is like an intermediary between Wix and PayPal or Stripe, different payment providers, and then once a person makes a purchase on your website, E-junkie will email them the product. So at the moment, Wix itself, you can't sell digital products. So you have to sell like t-shirts or, physical products. Whereas with E-junkie, we can sell digital products and use code on Wix to link directly to E-junkie. It sounds a lot more complicated than it actually is. And I'm going to guide you guys through the whole process. So let's have a little look. So if we go to E-junkie, so once you've created an account, this is the home page of E-junkie once you've signed in. So what we want to do is we want to create 3 products. We want to create product 1, product 2 and product 3 for the samurai pictures that we created in the previous video. So let's have a little look. So if we go over to the left hand side and select manage products, we select add product. Now I need to let you know when you set up an account with E-junkie, you get a 30-day free, basically like a 30-day free trial of E-junkie. So you can use the products free of charge for that time, and then after 30 days you have to sign up to a paid subscription. Now it's really cheap. These are the subscriptions. So $5 a month you can add 10 products, $10 a month you can add 40, $20 a month 150 products, $40 a month unlimited. So as you can see, it's really cheap. I mean, $5 for 10 products, it costs me £6.80 to get the tram to work and back every day. So the $5 a month is nothing. You could easily, anyone can afford $5 a month. So if we click on add product, we want to create the samurai. So we put samurai landscape picture 1. And then for the price, so let's say, because it's a digital download, I'm just going to put $2.99 for that picture. You want to select single file download. So this is the file that we'll be uploading to E-junkie, and they'll download it as soon as they purchase it from their email. So we select here 5 attempts within 0 hours. So this means that once they go to purchase it, once they go to download it, they get 5 activations of the product, or we can change it to 9, 1. I normally put 9 because, people have purchased it, so they should get as much times as they want to download it. Now, send product thank you email. So there is an automated one that will be sent here. Any message you enter here will be added to the standard message and link code. So you can add things here, like thank you for purchasing my samurai picture. But I normally leave it as the standard one because it's worded well and it looks weird when you add things to it. So if we click submit, so it'll say thank you for setting up your first sale. We want to click upload the product file. So if we select that one, choose file. Now on the desktop we go to my digital files. We want to upload the zip file, so product1.zip. And then we click close. Now these are the codes that we're going to use on Wix. So in this video we're going to set up we're going to set up the store pages for each of the products, and then in the next video we'll go ahead and use this code on Wix to basically set up the link between E-junkie and Wix. So now what we do is we go to add product, just close that off again. Now if we go to edit/clone products, we can actually copy the one we've just done. So click clone product, and then we just change this to picture 2. Click submit. Upload product file. We want to upload product2.zip. Close that, and again we're just going to go ahead and clone the product. So clone product 2, change it to number 3, submit, and then upload the product file again. And then we've got all 3 products on E-junkie, which is exactly what we want. So there we go. So we've got 3 products now. So if we go to edit/clone products, we've got 3 of our products here. We're going to take a look at integrating our E-junkie products with Wix. So what will happen is we'll have our E-junkie products sitting there ready to go. We'll have our Wix page, and when you click purchase on the Wix page, it will redirect you to E-junkie, and this will all be seamless. You won't even notice that you're using 2 websites. Let's have a little look. So I'm going to go on to our E-junkie page. Now, if you remember, we created 3 products on the last video. If we click manage products, we click on get purchase buttons, then we select product. We've got our 3 products here. So if I select picture 1, you'll see I've got all these codes. Now these are basically the add to cart, the view cart, and also the cart script. Now I don't use the cart script, I use the add to cart and the view cart. Now the only bit that we actually need is this link here. Now if you see, you've got a href equals, and then the HTTPS, we want to copy all that within that parentheses. So just copy that literally with Control-C. And this is the add to cart button. So if we go back to our website and we click on product 1, click editor. Now on the add to basket button, select change text and then add a link. Click web address, paste what we've just literally copied, click done. Now if we click preview and we select this add to basket button that we've just added the text, you'll see it goes to E-junkie. Now this is E-junkie, but because it's so seamless, you can't even tell really. Now if I click on continue shopping, it'll literally take me back to the website. Add to basket, takes us back. We can remove it. It's literally like a normal shop. Now if we go back to E-junkie and we select buy now, we do the exact same here. Copy that code, and now we're going to change this button. So we click back to editor. On the purchase, we're just going to paste that in, web address, save, preview. So now when we click purchase, now this is saying this because we haven't set up a PayPal account or anything to allow them to purchase through us. So when we go back to E-junkie dashboard, okay, if we click on the manage seller account up here, click on edit profile, you need to input your PayPal email address here. That's the reason that we got the error, is because we don't have a payment provider. So if we have the PayPal email on here, then people purchase it and it goes directly to PayPal. Now I'm going to put my PayPal email address in, and then on the more payment options, just make sure you select show PayPal in shopping cart, and you select I will accept credit cards via PayPal standard. You can choose other ones like Razorpay or Stripe, but I normally go with PayPal because it's quicker, it's easier. Display name, it's got mine as Lee. You could set this as Samurai Landscape Photography. Now this is what will show up on your purchase button. So if you go to the add to cart, at the top it will say this. I'll show you that in a second. So submit that. Now if we go to the manage products, get the purchase buttons, select product 1, copy that code again, back to editor. I'm just going to change the purchase code to what we've just done. So clicks done, preview, add to basket. As you can see, we've got the PayPal button now, so you can purchase directly through PayPal. If you click continue shopping, it takes you back here. If you click purchase, now you'll see it's going directly through to PayPal now rather than that error sign that we got. And then this will, you can purchase by basically signing in here or clicking pay by debit or credit card. If you were logged in, this would just go through to the payment screen as you normally get on PayPal. Now if we cancel it and we go back, what we want to do is set up the add to basket and purchase button for each page. So if I go to home, select product 2, and then we need to get the codes for the other products. So if I select here picture number 2, cart, and then copy this, and then back to editor, we're going to change this one. Get the buy now button and copy that one in as well. And we're just going to do this for all 3 items. Go back to picture number 3, cart, grab that cart code. I'm just going to preview, go back to the main one, go to product number 3. Let's change that one's code. No, web address. And let's get the buy now button as well. And change that. And then all 3 items. Now one thing I've noticed that we forgot is to put in a view cart button. So we can click add to basket, but we can't preview the cart without clicking add to basket. So what we're going to have to do is copy and paste again, change text and icon, and then just change this to view basket. So now when we go into here, so if we click on the get button codes, click on the cart, view cart, we want this code. We're just going to change this to that code. Now if I just copy this button and we go into the other pages, we can copy and paste that in. So if I just paste that one in, put it in the exact same spot, we don't even have to change the code because it's just to view the basket, and the basket never changes without us changing it on each page, so we can keep that the same. So product number 2, I'm just going to paste this one in. And then we'll test it out, and then our sales page, our website is pretty much finished. On the next video I'm going to show you guys how to sell serial keys, because that's really unique to E-junkie, that you can sell unique serial keys. It's really good, very useful. Let's have a look. So if I go to the add to basket, as you can see we've got 2 pictures in our basket now. $6, continue shopping, we click view basket, it'll take us just to this page. As you can see we've got the text up here that I was talking about. It just looks a lot more professional if it's the company name up here. Click continue shopping, let's go back and get the 3rd picture, click on add to basket, and there we go, we've got 1, 2 and 3. So obviously I'm going to show you guys how it comes through to you by email so that you can see exactly what you get. But before I do that, I'm going to drop the price, because just to test it, I'm not going to pay $8.97. I'm just gonna, it just looks wrong if I'm paying myself $8.97. So I'm going to lower the price down before I do that. So I'll show you guys that in a moment. I'm just going to quickly switch over the price. So as you can see, I've changed the price. So now I'm only going to be paying 30 cents. So each one is 10 cents each. So if we click on pay using PayPal, this will take us directly through to PayPal. Now it's going to go to my PayPal account. If I click pay now, you'll get all of the well done, you've paid, everything like that. Now if we go to the email address that's associated with, which I'm going to do now. Welcome back, guys. So here we are on my email. So this is the emails that your buyer will get once they've made the purchase. So let's have a little look at them. So they come in separately. So we placed an order for 3. So you'll get 3 separate emails. It doesn't come as one email. And you'll also get your purchase receipt. So if we click on that, this is basically your invoice ID, and that's specific to your company on E-junkie. So if we go back to the emails and we select one of these, if we click this, this will allow us to download the image that we've purchased. There we go. So it'll say your order is confirmed, download, save. As you can see, it was product 1. So if we go back and we go to our product 2, we select that, and then we'll download that, and it should say product2.zip. There we go, product2.zip. And then product 3 should be the right one. There we go, perfect. So as you can see, we've just made a purchase of 3 of our products. It's the 3 products that we set up, and we've had the email sent to us automatically. So this website's now on autopilot, so people could go onto the site, order, and they'll get their item delivered. You'll also get your payment from PayPal, and just have all the details of your PayPal payment. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys, in terms of setting up a E-junkie sale through Wix. On the next video, what I want to do is show you how you can change it to serial keys, because that's quite a unique thing that E-junkie can do. What it does is, it basically, when a person places an order, it will automatically send the top serial key, so that no 2 people will order the same one. And that's really, really important with serial keys, because obviously if you order a serial key and you get this picture using a single product, it wouldn't work. So I'll show you guys how to set that up. So yeah, guys, I'll speak to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.